homeowner in Neptune, New Jersey had ants crawling all over his back porch. The ants were traveling up the bushes that were abutting the porch railing and then entering into the building through a tiny crack in the siding. We're going to apply a granular bait to the high traffic areas. As you can see, the ants are attracted to the bait and begin transporting it back to their nest. Once they do, they'll share it with one another and their queen, and shortly after, they'll be exterminated. We're also going to treat the crevices under the siding with a residual aerosol that'll flush the ants out of hiding and neutralize them. Lastly, we treated the entire exterior with a liquid residual that works similar to the granular bait. When we finished, we advised the homeowner to trim back all of the bushes and shrubs so they aren't so close to the house. That way, it makes it difficult for ants and other pests to infest the property.